What's going on, guys? It's Craig with Tech 360, and today we're going to start up this big beast right here. Alright guys, so here's one of the control panels to crank this thing up. Now they may all have this secondary panel. Don't hold me to it, I'm not sure. I haven't messed with them a whole lot. So basically this one, we are below ground in this where we're at, and this one is down here in our maintenance shop. Now the actual generator itself is on ground level outside, so there's a way to start it out there, and there's one in here. So basically, I guess if it's cold and whatever nasty outside, you don't have to go out there and start this thing up. You can just start it in here. So let me bring you guys closer. All right, so as you see, this is the main control for this system here. So basically it says system alert, and all that is basically saying we're low on fuel, which we're not. It's just the sending unit in there is acting up, so I'm not real sure what's going on with that. I'll probably get somebody else to take a look at it and fix it. But everything does work right. But if you get to the point where you want to go ahead and start this bad boy from down here, you take this knob right here. It goes engine start, auto and test. I'm not sure what test does. I was never really told what that does, so I'm not going to lie to you guys and say I know what it does, because I don't. But usually we want to start it, we'll kick it over to engine start. And now what that'll do is no point in doing it down here because you're not going to see or hear it, but I'm going to take you guys upstairs and I'll show you the actual generator itself, and we'll start that bad boy. Alright, so as you can see, this is a Kohler Power System 750. Now this is a gigantic generator. This thing is huge. It runs a hotel that we got a little over 250 rooms. It covers all the rooms, kitchen, everything in this hotel. So if power goes down, this big boy kicks on, and when it kicks on, you know it, this sucker is loud. It makes a lot of noise. But let me crawl up in this big boy real quick, and I'll give you guys a little walk around and show you what's going on in there. All right, so now that I'm up in this thing, there's your main control panel, which is showing the system warning up here as well. It's basically saying it's got low fuel, but it doesn't. Like I said, the sending unit's got something going on with it, and then go on in behind it. Got this big old big motor, and basically this thing sits on top of the gas tank, so it's diesel tanks. So this is where we'll walk over here. Diesel. There's the actual generator itself. I'm sorry, this video is up kind of close. I really can't do much about that because that is kind of close quarters in here. But that's the motor itself. Two turbos, a gigantic radiator in the front. Video from the other side. Once again, it's the generator itself. That's the big diesel engine, big turbo. Got battery stashed under it for starting. I know, like I said, the video is kind of close. For some reason, when I record from the video, it basically makes everything look real close for some reason. But anyways, let's go ahead and start this big thing up. I'm going to put my earphones in before I do so, because this sucker is loud. right, so as you can see, like I told you, this dude is big and it is loud. Now, like I said, I know some of the video wasn't that great because it was such close quarters in there. I couldn't really get little far out shots of like the motor and the generator and such, but this is the Kohler Power System 750. And that's it. So guys, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, comment below, and I can do another video about whatever this is if you want it. All right, so next time guys, see ya.